So you've been binge watching YouTube thinking, I could totally do this. But then, reality kicks in. What niche? What username? SEO? Huh? I just want to go viral. Today I'm giving you the ultimate guide to starting your YouTube channel. Let's turn that dream into a reality, and maybe 1 million subscribers too. First things first, we gotta figure out what your channel is all about. Your niche should be a mix of 3 things. What you love, what you're good at, and what people care about. Think about it. What gets you so fired up you could talk about it for hours? Gaming, makeup tutorials, building robots. Now, what are you naturally talented at? Maybe you're great at explaining complex topics or making people laugh. Sprinkle in what people are already searching for on YouTube. Finding that sweet spot where your passion, skills, and audience demand meet, that's your recipe for YouTube domination. Step 2, the username. This is like naming your baby, except this baby needs to be cool, memorable, and not something you regret in 2 years. Your username is how people will find you, remember you, and scream it out when you hit 1 million subscribers. Keep it short, sweet, and easy to remember. Reflect your niche or your brand. If you're all about DIY life hacks, sprinkle that into your name. Puns, rhymes, wordplay, let your personality shine through. Do a quick check to make sure that name is available across all platforms. YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, the whole shebang. We want consistency, people. Once you've landed on the one, snag that username across all social media platforms, even if you don't plan on using them right away. Step 3, SEO optimization. Unlocking the secrets of YouTube's algorithm. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the magic that makes people find you on YouTube. Imagine this, you pour your heart and soul into a video, it's pure gold, but nobody sees it. Why? Because it's buried under a mountain of other videos lost in the YouTube abyss. That's where SEO swoops in to save the day. Think of SEO as the language you need to speak to YouTube's algorithm. Keywords are the words and phrases people type into the YouTube search bar when they're looking for content like yours. Do your research. Find out what's trending in your niche, what people are searching for. Sprinkle those keywords naturally throughout your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Use tools like TubeBuddy or VidiQ. They'll help you find the best keywords, analyze your competition, and give you that extra edge to rank higher in search results. Step 4, just start. Don't wait until you have the perfect camera, the perfect lighting, or the perfect script. Use what you have. Your phone works fine. You know what's worse than having a less than perfect video? Having no video at all? Perfectionism is the enemy of progress. Stop overthinking it, stop comparing yourself to the YouTube giants, and just hit record. Your first video doesn't have to be a masterpiece. It's about taking that first step, getting your feet wet, and learning as you go. The more you create, the better you'll get. So ditch the excuses, grab your phone or whatever camera you have, and start filming. The world is waiting to see what you've got. Final step, be consistent, post regularly, interact with your viewers, build a community. Consistency is key. The YouTube algorithm loves it, your viewers crave it, and it's the secret sauce to turning those casual viewers into die-hard subscribers. Establish a posting schedule that works for you and stick to it like glue. Whether it's once a week, twice a week, or even daily, the key is to be reliable. Let your audience know when to expect your epic content, and they'll be there waiting with bells on. But consistency isn't just about uploading videos, it's about engaging with your community. Respond to comments, run polls, ask questions in your videos. Make your viewers feel heard. Make them feel like they're part of something special. So, there you have it. Niche, username, SEO, start, and consistency. If this video helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What's your YouTube channel idea? I want to hear it. And remember, every big YouTuber started with 0 subscribers. Now go hit record.